In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a workflow on Monday.com, whether you're looking to streamline your team's processes or just get a better handle on your personal projects. Setting up an efficient workflow on Monday.com can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and get you up and running with a workflow that suits your needs. First things first. Head over to Monday.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed to it. The interface is pretty intuitive, but it always helps to have a quick look around. Now, your journey to creating a new workflow begins with a click. On the left side of your screen, you'll find a plus icon. This little symbol is your gateway to new projects, tasks, and yes, workflows. Clicking on it is the first step towards streamifying your project management efforts. As soon as you click the plus icon, a new world of options opens up. Hover your cursor over the option labeled Board. This is where the magic happens in Monday.com. Boards are essentially your workspace, where you can keep track of everything related to your project. Once you hover over Board, you'll see the option to start with a template. Click on this. Templates in Monday.com are lifesavers, especially for those new to the platform or looking to get things moving quickly. They offer predefined structures tailored to a variety of use cases, making it easier to jumpstart your projects. After clicking on Start with a Template, it's time to narrow down your search. In the search bar, type Workflow. This keyword will bring up a range of workflow templates designed to help manage projects, tasks, and everything in between efficiently. Among the search results, look for a template titled Project Workflow. This template is a great starting point for a wide range of projects, offering a balance between complexity and ease of use that suits most needs. Click on the Project Workflow to select it. Finally, click on Use Template to make it your own. This action will create a new board based on the Project Workflow template, giving you a solid foundation to start organizing your project. Now, the real fun begins with your new board created. It's time to customize it to fit your specific project needs. Here's where you can get creative. You can rename columns to reflect your project stages, add new items to represent different tasks or milestones, and even assign tasks to team members. Remember, the key to a successful workflow on Monday.com is continual adjustment and optimization. As you begin to use your new workflow, don't be afraid to make changes. Maybe you find that you need an extra column for QA testing, or perhaps some tasks need to be broken down into smaller, more manageable pieces. Monday.com is designed to be flexible, accommodating the evolving nature of projects. Here are a couple of additional tips to get the most out of your new workflow. Utilize Monday.com S color coding system to quickly identify the status of tasks at a glance. This can be a real time saver, especially in complex projects with many moving parts. Set due dates for tasks and integrate the Monday.com calendar into your workflow. This ensures everyone knows what needs to be done and by when, reducing the risk of tasks falling through the cracks. Explore Monday.com S automation features. Automations can save you a lot of manual work by, for example, automatically moving tasks to a new column when they're marked as completed, or sending reminders to team members as deadlines approach. Creating a workflow on Monday.com might seem daunting at first, but once you dive in, you'll find it's a straightforward process that can dramatically improve your work's efficiency and effectiveness. Experiment, adjust, and refine your workflow to suit your project's needs, and don't be afraid to explore all the features Monday.com has to offer. With the steps we've covered today, you're well on your way to streamlining your projects like never before. Happy organizing, and here's to your success on Monday.com.